Yeah, this is the Volkswagen Jetta, and on the driver's side, when you're staring straight at the vehicle in front of it, over on the right and the back, you see here's your battery. On the left side of the battery, you'll have the positive cable. You see the plus sign on there, and also on the battery. And on this side, you see this kind of has this little reddish looking wire as well. So you just got to be careful with these. Make sure your positive and minus match up. Look on your battery. Usually it's the black wire, so the battery has the plus and negative on there. And to remove these, you have these 10 millimeter nuts on them. This battery is a W48 630 V or 630V as in Victor. And this is how the battery looks. It sits right next to your fuse box. And looking at the battery, to get the battery out, you see down here, there's this bracket that holds the battery down, and there's a 13 millimeter bolt on there. So you're gonna get an extension, get that down, and once you do, you're gonna take it up. You just lift up on the handle and remove the battery after you've taken the leads off. And when you get it back together, you're going to do the same thing just in the reverse. But to look at this bracket, you want to make sure you're keeping track of the way this bracket is oriented, because it can be easily confused on how to put it back on if you don't pay attention to how it comes off. But you'll figure it out. It's pretty simple. But yeah, that makes the battery sturdy. So yeah, guys, it's your man A Fix showing you the battery location, how to remove the battery,